Let's start. These are some raw clips which I will export. For that, press Ctrl+M, that is shortcut key, to open render settings. Go to output module. From this format tab, select QuickTime. Rest all settings, keep it as it is. Press OK. Give your output file a name and press render. After that, open Topaz. I use version 3.1.10. Select your exported file and follow these settings. For the encoder, select ProRes 422 LT. Press export. You can see the difference here. After finishing, import this enhanced clip into AE. As you can see, our clip looks too much zoomed in. That's because our composition is of 1080p and our clip is in 4K. To fix this, just decrease the scale of the clip to 50%. Let's make CC now. For that, add an adjustment layer and drop these shown effects into it. And follow my settings. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And lastly, drop effect called looks. And you can follow the same steps as I do, but if you find this a bit complicated, don't worry, I'll provide the same exact CC preset in my description. Our CC is almost ready. Just go to looks and decrease its strength to 70%. And we are done. Now for those who want to know how to make this CC as a preset, it's quite simple. Just select all these effects and go to animation, then press save animation preset. Name it whatever you want and save it. And to apply that CC onto your clips, let's first delete this, create an adjustment layer and go to same animation tab and press apply animation preset. Select that CC and done.
And this is how you make your own CC using After Effects and Topaz and save it as a preset. That's it guys. Thank you for watching. See you soon.